when someone undergoes a laser treatment, there are cans and cannots that you can do after, right?
Yeah, believe it or not, lasers are incredibly safe, and a lot of them are very simple. For some of the more major procedures, we might have you out of the sun for anywhere from 2 weeks to a month, but there's a lot of lasers that you can really legitimately have no downtime, wear makeup that night, go out to dinner that night. You might be a little red, a little swollen, but there's not as many rules as we might think.
Exactly. And when your patients come in and you start talking to them and having this conversation about lasers, and you and I did this a few months ago, many of them are not aware that there is this option today, right?
Yeah, I think lasers are kind of scary for patients. And
at first.
At first. And you know, if you walk into our rooms, there are these big machines, and you know, I always tell the laser companies, try to make these kid-friendly and pretty. You know, they're very industrial.
It's like the big computers way back when, remember, and the big TVs? And now we've got these little bitty computers that do everything. These lasers are big.
They're big. And the first lasers were whole buildings, so they've come a long way. But
once you start engaging and educating,
well, they're pretty magical, and lasers can do things that we don't have any other thing in medicine that can do. And you know, we've been talking a lot about aesthetics, but my real passion is treating medical conditions with laser. And there, it's so powerful. And I think if anything, I like to, you know, share with the public and other doctors and patients what we can do.
And I don't think there's anything wrong in someone choosing a laser for cosmetics. A lot of people think, well, there's nothing wrong with that either. I mean, Botox definitely has the name, and you do that.
Yeah.
And you do, what is it, Dysport?
Yeah, Dysport's another company in ZMN.
And you offer that, but lasers are something where people can have that conversation and say, yeah, I did it, right?
Yeah.
Because a lot of people don't want to have that conversation, don't want to talk about it.
Yeah, I think it's changing because I think people want to be the best they can be. I think we're healthier than ever. We're aging more gracefully than ever. And again, I think the laser is a very natural, organic option to choose.
And it's easy.
You know, there's no chemicals.
And safe.
Yeah, and it's really taking your skin back to where it was, you know, 20 years ago.